Scrollable result set object, right, boss? Yeah. Everyone practice it, that was Advanced Java 414 JDBC. That 30th August, different types of result set objects. Yeah, boss. Yeah, what is difference between scrollable result set object and non-scrollable result set object? We can access the records of non-scrollable result set object only in one direction, that is top to bottom, right? Whereas we can access the records of scrollable result set object in both directions, top to bottom, bottom to top. To bottom, top, bottom to top, directly, randomly, because we can move the cursor in the result set object in any direction, Prabhu. We can move the cursor in result set object in any direction. Everyone getting my point there or not? Let's see. A scrollable result set object. Scrollable result set object can be a sense-to result set object, sense-to result set object. Next, sense-to result set object, instance to result set object. Okay, read-only result set object. Next, updatable result set object. Updatable result set object. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Now, we have extra words now, scroll underscore sense to, scroll underscore instance to. I'm talking about them. Tell me, what is the difference between sensitive RS and insensitive RS? Sense to result set and insense to results. Yeah, first of all, tell me, what do you mean by sense to behavior? What do you mean by sense to behavior? Sense to reacts for everything, right? Response to everything is called sense to behavior. Response to response for everything, Rababu. Sense to for everything, sense to behavior. Does not respond for anything, insensitive behavior. Okay. If one family member dies also, you will think that time has come, he went off. Time has come, he died. You never bother much. He is very practical person, right? Okay. Okay, now listen. I'm not giving this example by keeping Indians in mind, because Indians' color is not white. Indians' color is not dark. Our color is, what is our color, guys? Brown. We are brown people. We are not white. We are not dark. We are in the middle. We are in the middle. That's why we use cosmetics a lot. Because there is a hope of becoming white, right? Because there is a hope of becoming white. So India is the biggest market for cosmetics, Rabab. Why? Because we are brown people now. So there is a hope of becoming white, right? Did you see West Indies using cosmetics? Did you see dark skinned people using? What is the difference between sensitive result set and insensitive result set? Ah, dark skinned people are insensitive. Other countries result set. Okay. Yeah. If the changes done in the DB table records reflects to result set object immediately, then it is called sensitive result set object. Sensitive result set object. If the changes done in DB table records are not reflecting to result set object, uh, then it is called insensitive result set object. Insensitive result set object. Okay. To create sensitive result set, statement ST is equal to con dot create statement. Statement ST is equal to con dot create statement. Tell me. Result set dot type underscore scroll underscore sensitive. Yes, sensitive word is most important. Scroll is not so important. Result set dot conquer underscore. Here it can be anything. Update. Conquer underscore update. Okay, guys. What is the word? Sensitive word. Let me highlight the word sensitive. Okay, guys. Then what is this? Result set RS is equal to st dot execute query. Select star from student. What is this? Result set RS is equal to st dot execute query. Select star from student. Right now, boss? Yeah. Now I'm interested to go for to create instance to result set object. Instance to result set object. Okay, guys. Here is my instance. Here is what? Instance. That's it, guys. Remaining all are same. Here sense to, here what? Instance. Array sense to result sets are use cases of sensitive result set. Use cases of sensitive result set. Tell me what is the use cases of sensitive result set, Rabo? Use cases of sensitive result set. Okay, guys. Tell me, sensitive. And whenever changes happen, that should reflect in the application, right? Live game scores. Live game scores display. Next. Okay. Stock market share values display. Stock market share values display and Excel. Okay, guys. Use cases for instance to result set. Use cases of instance to result set. Tell me what is the use case of instance to result set, guys? Okay, report to generation. Report to generation. Come on, guys. Report generation. As part of report generation, Babu, this is very much required now, boss. Report data is going to be fixed data, right? Report generation like bank account statements, Babu. Bank account statement. Bank account statement. Next one. Sales report. And Excel. Sales report and Excel. Cool. A scrollable result set can be one of these four. What's the difference between sensitive and insensitive result set? Here is sensitive, here is what? Insensitive. I have to prove it now, boss. So how we are going to prove sensitive or insensitive behavior? How I am going to prove sensitive or insensitive behavior? Very simple, Babu. Okay, I will process the result set using while loop, Babu. I will process the result set using while loop. Come on, guys. I will process the result set using while loop. In that process, I will modify DB table record, guys, and that will come. I will modify DB table record in the middle of the loop. In the middle of the loop, I will modify DB table records if that modification reflects to result set, then it is called sensitive. If not reflecting, then it is called insensitive. Right now, boss? Okay, boss. Tell me here. You can take PS sensitive RS test. PS sensitive RS test. You can use PS or non-PS. That's not an issue. Okay. Thanks. Okay. Tell me sensitive only there. Here sensitive only there, right? Okay, sensitive only there. Here you can take read only also. Read only, update, anything you can take. No problem. We got a result set object, Robert. We are displaying records top to bottom. Let's stick to that. Let's stick to that. Okay, tell me, guys. Let's stick to that. Here I will take Here I will take int count is equal to 0. Int count is equal to 0. Tell me. If count double equal to 0. If count double equal to 0. Come on, guys. If count double equal to 0. R is not equal to null. System dot out dot println. Int count is equal to 0 while rs dot next babu. If count double equal to 0, system dot out dot println. But what I'm going to do, before printing it, babu, I will go for thread dot sleep. Thread dot sleep 40,000 milliseconds is equal to 40 seconds. Is equal to 40 seconds. Understanding my statement, guys? Is equal to 40 seconds. And in these 40 seconds, I will try to modify DB table data. If reflecting, okay. After 40 seconds, the modification done in table, reflecting in the records of result set, sensed, not reflecting, incensed. Reflecting, sensed, not reflecting, incensed. Got it, guys? Okay, this is the plan, Rabo. Sys out. Okay. In next 40 seconds, modify the records of student DB table. Student DB table. Okay, guys. End of the while loop. Okay. End of the if condition. End of the try with the results. End of the try with the results. Okay, guys. Now let's see. Yeah. By default, Oracle thin driver, MySQL connector J driver does not support, do not support sends to result set. We have to do some additional thing to achieve that. Okay. Now let's see, guys. Oh, we have a 40 seconds time. Can I open SQL developer itself takes time? Huh? Okay. We'll cancel and we'll try again. Cannot do anything ready. Okay. Once SQL developer is ready, we do remaining. Here is my connection, Babu. Once 40 seconds are completed, mistake is mine. Actually, mistake is mine. 1 minute. Every time it is happening. Somewhere I have to say count plus na boss. Otherwise, it will happen for every record, right? That's blunder. It will happen for every record. I think things are happening very fastly. It will just take 20 seconds. Message we have to change, Babu. Okay, now Delhi we are changing to Chennai. Say refresh. Delhi we are changing to Chennai. Still old value is coming. Okay. Old value. Right, boss? Still old values are coming. Why, sir? Why? Tell me why coming. I said, now, by default, Oracle thin driver, MySQL connector J driver do not support sensitive result sets. Do not support. By default, they support insensitive. See, I am doing modification. It is reflecting a boss, not reflecting, right? Okay, what to do to make it happen? Number one, stop using star symbol, Ra Babu. Okay, start writing column names in the selector. SEADED average. This is the one change. Change number two. Okay, while processing each record, you have to say rs dot refresh. rs dot refresh. Guys, now listen. Okay, first record only I modify above. Okay, Chennai is over. Now I will take Bangalore. Done. Say refresh. Comment it. Still old value is coming. Still old value is coming. I change it to Bangalore, right? I changed that one to Bangalore, but it is not happening. Oh, I think rs dot refresh row. rs dot refresh row. Let's put this rs dot refresh row here. After modification, we'll refresh. After modification, we'll try to refresh it. rs dot refresh row after doing modification, right, boss? Okay, come here. Okay, next. What is there, guys? Mumbai is there. So many cities are there in India. Done. Mumbai is there. Come here. Wait for 20 seconds to complete. Now it's coming now. Yeah, after doing two changes. What is that? Don't use star symbol and call rs dot refresh row method. Call rs dot refresh row method. Understanding my statement? Okay, guys. Note. All JDBC drivers softwares support, what is that? Insensitive result set objects. All JDBC driver software support insensitive result set objects. What about that? Okay, guys. Because to bring insensitive behavior, I need not to do anything. Result set objects by default. Okay. Yeah. Oracle thin driver. MySQL connector J driver. Connector J JDBC driver. Software supports. Tell me, sensitive result set. Supports sensitive result set objects. Understanding my statement, guys? Sensitive result set objects only when following conditions are satisfied. Only when following additional operations are performed. Operations are performed. Only when the following additional operations are performed. What are the additional operations, guys? Okay. To use star symbol in the select SQL code. Don't use star symbol in the select SQL coding. Rather, use column names in the select SQL query. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Yeah, select star from student should be written as select SNO, SNA, SADD, average from student. Average from student. Veera Babu, B. B. What is the B option? Call refresh row method. RS dot refresh row method. RS dot refresh row method in the while. RS dot refresh row method in the while loop after sleep activity, sleep operation activity. Right. These are the two things we have to do. So here is the complete application, Raghav. Is the complete application. Yeah, MySQL JR driver also support, but only these two conditions should be satisfied. Yes, that's a driver is designed like this. You don't think much on it. The basically driver is designed like this. Limitation at driver side, not from your side, right? Okay. Here is what? SNO, SNAME, SADD average. That's the number one. Next one, RS dot refresh row. This is the next one. Next, here is the sense. These are the changes. Remaining all are same now, boss. Okay, here 40 seconds or 20 seconds. Yes, we changed the time to 20 seconds. Easy? Easy or not? PS sends to RS tested origin. PS sends to RS tested. And do I need to show insensitive behavior? After showing these many things, do I need to show insensitive behavior? Yeah, for insensitive, no need of taking column names, right? You can use star symbol. There is no need of taking refresh row also. There is no need of taking refresh row also, right? By default, it supports insensitive behavior. Come here, Newark, I'm changing to, okay, Newark, I'm changing to Sydney. Newark, I'm changing to Sydney. Refresh, okay. Come here. Oh, Sydney has come now. Why? Because still refresh row is there. If you want to feel insensitive behavior, stop using refresh row. Stop using. You should stop using refresh row. Understanding my statement? Click on it. Now listen. Okay, come here. Okay, Delhi I am changing to third record. Delhi I am changing to Mumbai. Third record Delhi I am changing to Mumbai. Super guys. Now tell me what is there in this? Coming not coming. Still Delhi only coming. That means it is showing insensitive behavior or not. It is showing insensitive behavior or not. Okay. Note. Okay. To work with insensitive result set object. Okay. There is no need of placing column names in the select SQL query. Yeah. And and there is no need of calling rs dot refresh row name. rs dot refresh row name. rs dot refresh row name. Got it, guys? Super. Okay, now the question that comes is, what is the difference between, array, these are the differences between result set type. But when it comes to mode, Ra Babu, read only mode, updatable mode, two modes are there, na? Read only mode, updatable mode, two modes are there. What is the difference between read only result set object and updatable result set object? Updatable result set object. Okay, guys. The result set object. The result set object. Come on, guys. The result set object. The result set object that allows only read operation on DB table. Only read operation on DB table is called what, guys? Read only results. Read only results. Array by default, every result set object is read only results set. Come on, guys. Read only result set object. Super. The result set object that allows what is next, guys? Read read insert update delete operation on the DB table is called, tell me, guys, updatable result set object. What, guys? Updatable result set object. Okay. By using updatable result set object, by using updatable result set object, we can perform insert, update, delete, and select operations on DB table records. Okay, guys, on DB table records. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay, now this next one. Array, from result set object only, we can do lot of operations. From result set object only, we can do lot of operations. That's the meaning of that. Okay. See how to create read-only result set object. To create read-only result set object, create read-only result set object. Tell me how to create read-only result set object, guys. Statement st is equal to con dot create statement result set dot type underscore scroll underscore type underscore scroll underscore. Come on, guys. Sensitive or insensitive, that really does not matter. But the second one is there, na, that is the most important. Result set dot conquer underscore here what read underscore what conquer underscore read underscore what. Tell me next one. Results at RS is equal to st dot execute query. Tell me here. Select star from student. Select star from student. Conquer underscore read underscore. Conquer underscore read underscore. Comfortable guys? Got the clarity guys? Come on everyone. Conquer underscore read underscore only. Is that clear guys? Conquer underscore read underscore only Rabo. Read underscore only. Next. Using read only result set, we can perform only select operations on DB. Really, sir? Yes, boss. While rs dot next, system dot out dot println, rs dot get int of 1 space, rs dot get string of 2 space, rs dot get string of 3 space, rs dot, tell me next one, rs dot get float of 4, right boss. Yes. Using read only result set. Okay. Using read only result set, this is the story. Create read only result set object, this is the story. Tell me next one. Okay. To create updatable result set object. To create updatable result set object. Yes, here what is the word? Conquer underscore updatable. Updatable, right? Next. Results at RS is equal to st dot execute query. Select star from student. st dot execute query. Select star from student. Got it, guys? Super. Right. We can perform select operation now. This is select operation. Select operation. Next. Next one, insert operation. Array, we can insert the records by using updatable result set object. Seriously, sir. Yes, yes. RS dot move to insert to row. RS dot move to insert to. Creates empty record in RS. Creates empty record in RS. RS dot update into 1 comma 401. RS dot update string 2 comma Raja. RS dot. Array, now I'm setting values to that empty record, Ra Babu. Update string 3 comma Hyderabad. Array, anything you can give, Ra Babu. RS dot update float 4 comma 99.6. 9.8. Lastly, RS dot insert to row. rs dot insert to row of. Yeah, what is this, guys? Setting values to empty record that is created. Okay, guys. Next, inserts the record to DB table. Inserts the record to DB table. It creates empty record, sets the values to empty record was, and inserts the record. Yeah, see, easy was. No need of writing select query. That's the beauty was. Not without using non-select SQL queries. SQL queries. We can perform insert, update, delete operations on DB table while using updatable result set option. While using updatable result set option. While using updatable result set option. Everyone got the clarity was? Super. This is insert operation. Next, what is this? Update operation, Rabab. rs dot absolute of 4. I'm going to fourth record. rs dot update string 3 comma Mumbai. Okay. rs dot update row of rs dot update row. Ultimately, what is doing, guys? Modifying tell me, guys, third column value of fourth record. Modifying third column value of fourth record. Simply modifying third column value of fourth record. Clear, guys? Next, delete operation. rs dot absolute of 5. Next, what is this? rs dot delete row. Dash delete row. Tell me what it will do. Deletes the tell me fifth record of DB table. Deletes the fifth record of DB table. Are you comfortable, guys, getting my point here? Here select operation, here insert operation, here update operation, here delete operation. Okay, using one updatable result set object, we are able to do all the code operations on DB table or not. All the code operations on the DB table are not. Okay, updatable result set object is very powerful or not, guys? File save as PS updatable RS test. Updatable RS test. Updatable RS test. PS updatable RS test.java. Updatable RS test.java. Super. This is done. This is done. This is done. SNO, SNAME, SADD average from student. Type underscore scroll underscore insense to. Okay, sense to insense to, that does not matter. It can be done, or it can be done with prepared statement or simple statement. But we use simple statement very rarely in our boss. Okay, it can be done in simple, very rarely. We use mostly prepared statement. That's why I'm trying to give my example on prepared statements. Okay, guys, now listen, execute. RS dot. Tell me, guys. System dot out dot println select operation. Select operation. Tell me. Select operation. Why RS dot next. While RS dot next. Sys out. RS dot get int of one space. RS dot get start. Get string of 3 space RS dot get float of. Select operation is now happening now, boss. Select operation is now. Insert operation. Insert operation. Tell me RS dot RS dot, what is that? Move to insert to row. Empty record. RS dot update into 1 comma all ones. RS dot update string 2 comma Mahesh. Update string string. Next guy. RS dot update string 3 comma Delhi. 3 comma Delhi. Tell me next one. RS dot, tell me guys, update float 4 comma 89,000. Nice boss. Tell me guys next one. RS dot update. RS dot update. Double one Mahesh Delhi 88 no. It is not update robot, it is insert. It is what? Insert. RS dot insert. Okay, guys. Sys out. Record insert. Record insert. Okay, let's cool, guys. Let's check it out. Record inserted. How to check whether record is inserted or not? Double one Mahesh has come now. Double one Mahesh has come now, boss. Double one Mahesh has come. Okay, now listen. You keep star symbol here, boss. You keep star symbol here. Okay, right. Done. Here, Mahi, I will take. Invalid operation for read-only result set. So Arakil thin driver supports updatable result set only when you don't place star symbol in the coding. You must place what, guys? You must place what? Column names. Are you listening my statement, guys? You must place column names. This is very important. Yeah, when you do commenting, boss, if comment symbols are chick-jacking your code, you have to do changes in your settings, but we'll see that later. Update operation. RS dot absolute of 4 or any record goes to 4th record. RS dot update string 3 comma Delhi 3 comma Delhi. RS dot update row. RS dot update. Super guys. Okay. Let's see, boss. Say refresh. RS dot update row. Third column value of fourth record will be modified. Modified or not? Third column value of fourth record will be modified. Modified or not? Super. Am I using any update query, guys? But still record is modified. Did you notice it? Still record is modified. Did you observe that, my dear? Did you observe that, my dear? Next, delete operation. RS dot absolute of 6. RS dot delete row. RS dot delete row. Super guys. Save refresh. Row is deleted here or not? The row is deleted here. What do you say, guys? The row is deleted here. Comfortable, guys? Got the clarity? I'm able to do all operations, Ramo. Listen, but I have to write one statement here. What is the statement I should write, you know? All JDBC driver softwares support read-only result sets. Read-only result set objects by default. Read-only result set objects by default. Okay. Aracle thin driver, comma, MySQL connector J driver. Connector J JDBC driver. Supports, tell me. Supports, what guys? Updatable result set objects. Result set object only when select query is taken with the column names. Only when select query is taken with column names. Tell me, guys. Select star from student. Select star from student should be replaced with select SNO, SNAME, SADD, average from student. Average from student. Right, guys? Example application on updatable results. Example application on updatable results set object. Got it? Yes. Here is my updatable results set object. One more interview question. Sir, what is the difference between sensitive and updatable results set object? Their modifications are happening, here modifications are happening. Is there any difference or no difference? Okay. Let's answer this question. What is the difference between sensitive RS and insensitive RS? Sorry. Sensitive RS and updatable RS. What is the difference between sensitive RS and updatable RS? Tell me, guys. What's the story, my dear? Is there any difference or no difference? Yeah. Insensitive RS. Insensitive RS. Okay. The modifications done in DB table will reflect to the modifications done in DB table will reflect to, come on guys, will reflect to result set object. Will reflect to result set object. Bravo. Will reflect to result set object. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. In updatable RS, the modifications, addition, insertions, deletions done to RS object will reflect to DB table. Will reflect to DB table. Understanding my statement, guys? In updatable RS, the modification, insertion, deletions done to RS object will reflect to DB table. Reverse is there or not there? Reverse is there or not there? Come on, guys. Okay. So overall, what industry uses? Okay. In the industry, array, you are not active today. The following result set of types of result set objects are useful. Number one. Okay. Insensitive RS or non-scrollable RS. For report generation, while generating report, we prefer this. Next, B. Insensitive RS or non-scrollable RS for report generation. Next one is what, guys? Scrollable RS. For data grid operations. When I say data grid operation, what, guys? First, next, previous, last. First, next, previous and last operations. Next, C. Okay, next one is what, guys? Sensitive RS. Yeah, when should I go for sensitive RS, guys? Okay, for displaying live game scores, stock market share values, and etc. For displaying live game scores, stock market share values, and etc. At that time, this one, data grid operations. Fine. We got conclusion on result set objects, guys. Come on. We got conclusion on result set objects. Okay, array updatable is not so popular because of limitations, but these three result sets will be used a lot. Please remember that point. Always please remember that point. Right, boss. Okay. All right. One assignment is still pending. Read-only result sets. Read-only result set. Read on. Incense to RS, non-scrollable RS for report generation. Na boss. Okay. Here we can also use read-only RS here. Read-only RS here. And as part of report generation, we can use read-only RS also. Okay, boss. One pending example is there. Was assignment is there. Okay. Pending assignment is there. What is that? Can you execute both select and non-select query by using single method call? How many of you found that method, guys? Execute is the method. Okay. How many of you completed it? Complete next class. Before I start new topic, you remind me. I will give that example. Okay. Paraform. Tell me. Okay. Sensitive RS comma updatable RS operations. Sensitive RS comma updatable RS operations. Okay. On EMP DB tail. What, guys? On EMP DB tail. Got it, guys? Simply we should do on what? EMP DB tail. Clear, guys? Got the clarity? Thank you, boss. Have a nice day. Tomorrow is holiday.